I'm here with my bank game setup to talk about multiplication today. So multiplication, it's a lot like addition. However, the two numbers that I give my children rolls will be exactly the same. So today, because I only have one set of small number cards, I'm going to use small and large number cards to show you the two children's rolls. But if I were doing this in the classroom, I would do it with two sets of small cards for the children. We work with what we have, right? That's my mantra right now. So I'm going to give each child the number 2,300, 6 tens, 5 units. And I'm just going to give them on the tray. However, just let them be there. So the same number, 2,300, 6 tens, 5 units. And this won't really fit on this child's tray. Again, in the classroom it would be small numbers. So after I give the numbers, I instruct the children to go to the bank and get the numbers that they have. So we have said 2,000s for each child. We're just going to use the towel here. 2,000s. Then we said 300s. 100, 200, 300. 100, 200, 300. 6 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, excuse me. 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, and then 5 units. I'll count them right into the little unit cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. So now that we know they have their numbers, they can compose their number. This one I have already composed, so you can see that it reads 2,000s, 300s, 6 tens, 5 units, or 2,365. And we'll compose, this one we'll do the magic slide again. Ta-da! The same number, 2,365. So that all happens before they even come to the rug. You give a number, they get their beads, then they come and they can compose the number. Often we would count again here to make sure we all have the same and the proper numbers. And after that, what's the next step in addition? What do we do when we bring two numbers to the work rug and I have nothing on my tray? What happens next? Now typically, if the children have had a lot of practice in addition and subtraction by this point, they will say, oh, we're going to put all your numbers, all of our numbers onto your tray. And that's exactly the next step. We're going to figure out how much we have together, right? So all of the numbers can come onto the tray, organized. We have our thousands, we have our hundreds, we have our tens, we have our units. Okay. Oh my, now we have so many beads on this tray. How are we going to find out how much we have all together? What do we need to do? Count count them. Let's count them. Here it works exactly like addition, right? This is about the same process. So I'll have one child count the units. Let's see how many we have all together. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. I need to stop. I got to 10. What do I do when I have 10 of something? I'll exchange at the bank. Yeah. So here's my 10 units. What in the bank is made up of 10 units? We have 1 10 bar. Yes, I can get 1 10 bar and put back my 10 units. Now, we have, look, I don't have any more units. So actually, now we have 0 units. I don't have a 0 number card, so I'm just going to leave it blank for now. And I'll show you at the end how that works with the big numbers. Let's count the tens. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s, 9 10s, 10 10s. Stop! Oh my goodness! I got to 10. What can I do with 10 tens? I'm going to exchange. What can I exchange 10 tens for? What is the same as 10 tens? What has 10 tens in it? 100. I'm going to pick up 100 and put 10 tens back. Now, we do have some tens left on Bunny's tray here, so let's see what we have. 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s. We have 3 10s. Wow, that's amazing. So I'll get the 310 card. My cat is very busy over there for some reason. I don't know what she's smelling. Oh, I mentioned you. Got her interested. And let's count the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Do I need to exchange anything? It's 700, right? It's only 700. We didn't get to 10, so we're okay. So I'll pick up my 700 card. That's thousands, excuse me. 700 card. 700. And now let's count the thousands. We can put them on Bunny's tray. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. 4,000. Now I'll get my 1,000 card. 4,000. Great. Let's compose the number on this tray. And I'll show you about those 0 units. Look at that! 4,000s, 700s, 310s, 0 units. The 0 showed up at the end. 4,730. That's how much we got. So let's tell the story. This is a very interesting story. First, do you notice how both of your numbers are exactly the same? You both brought 2,000, 300s, 6 10s, 5 units. 2,365. That's pretty cool, right? So I'm going to just use one child's number you can see 2,365. And there's 2 children here today. 1, 2. So we took that number 2 times. 2,365 taken 2 times equals 4,730. That is multiplication. You can enjoy multiplication by choosing your own numbers. As long as they are the same as everyone playing the game, you will be doing multiplication. You can feel free to try it with 3 people bringing that same number, 4 people bringing the same number, anything that you like if you have enough materials for it. Enjoy your game.